If you're ready to take your business's online presence to the next level, let's talk about how to set up and optimize your Telegram profile for business. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional, secure, and brand-focused Telegram account that makes engaging with customers easier and more effective. So let's jump right in and get your Telegram profile working for your business. First things first, let's get you onto Telegram. If you haven't already got Telegram on your computer, download the Telegram desktop app. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Or if you prefer not to install anything, you can simply head to web.telegram.org in your browser. Both options give you the same powerful access, so pick whichever feels right for you. Now, when you sign up, use a dedicated phone number for your business. This isn't just for organization. Keeping personal and business messages separate helps maintain professionalism and reduces confusion down the line. After entering your number, Telegram will send you a quick verification code. Pop that in and you're good to go. Once you've logged in, you'll want to make your profile reflect your brand identity. You do this by clicking on Settings and editing your profile. Replace your personal name with your business name. For example, instead of John Doe, you might use Doe Consulting. This makes your profile instantly recognizable and easier for customers to trust. Next, the username. Create something unique and brand-aligned, like @Doe Consulting. Having a distinctive, memorable username is crucial. It makes your business easily searchable and shareable, especially when customers want to mention or tag you. Take a moment to craft your bio too. Telegram allows you up to 70 characters here, so make it count. Briefly explain what your business does and, if possible, include a link to your website or landing page. Imagine someone new stumbling onto your profile. Your bio should tell them at a glance what you're about and where to find out more. For example, digital marketing for small businesses, Doe Consulting. Calm, short, straight to the point, and with a clear call to action. Next, let's talk about your profile photo. Swap out your selfie for your company logo, properly sized and with good resolution. This not only looks professional, but as your logo appears in chats, groups, and channels, it'll reinforce your brand every time you interact. Now let's dive into some optimization techniques that can really make your Telegram feel like a business headquarters. Start with BotFather, Telegram's official bot creator. With bots, you can automate welcome messages, set up quick replies for FAQs, or even handle customer support. This can save you tons of time, especially as your community grows. Don't worry if bots sound complicated. BotFather breaks it down with step-by-step prompts, and there are many guides to help you set up the basics. Consider creating a public channel for your business. Channels are excellent for broadcasting announcements, special offers, or educational content to a large audience. Think of them like newsletters, but interactive and instant. Copy your channel link and add it everywhere. Your website, email signatures, and other social media pages. This makes joining your community only a click away. If you're connecting with customers offline at an event or with printed materials, make use of Telegram's QR code feature. You can generate a unique QR code for your channel or group, print it on flyers or business cards, and simply invite people to scan and join your Telegram with ease. Of course, security is paramount. Take a minute to enable two-factor authentication in your Telegram settings. This adds a second layer of protection, keeping your business account safe even if someone gets hold of your password. Finally, don't miss out on Telegram's powerful features. Use channels for one-way broadcasting, groups for lively many-to-many community discussions, and take advantage of large file sharing, up to 1.5 GB per file. You can also set up instant replies and greeting messages for new users to make onboarding smooth and welcoming. And there you have it. You've turned your Telegram profile into a hub for your business. Remember, it only takes a bit of setup and attention to detail to create a confident, brand-friendly space your customers will love. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button and drop any questions you have down in the comments. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to make your business thrive online. Thanks for watching.